Yes, listen. Today we are going to start with the next chapter, that is triangle and its properties. That is chapter number 6. Yes, listen. We are going to start with the basic concept. Yes, everybody stop writing, cross your arms and be attentive and listen to me only. Sit straight. Leave your pen. बिल्कुल अपनी बैक पीछे टच करो, क्रॉस करके बैठो आर्म्स ऐसे. चलो इधर देखो सारे. If we talk about a triangle, I have just simply drawn a triangle and the name of this triangle is ABC. How many sides it has? AB, BC, CA. 3 sides it is having. So I have written all the sides AB, BC and CA. This side ho jao Aryan. How many angles it has? 3 angles. Angle A, angle B. Stop doing this. So these 6 things are called elements of a triangle. A triangle has 6 elements, 3 sides and 3 angles. Got it? Any doubt? Leave it. पीछे होके बैठो. Clear? How many vertex it has? Vertices. 3. A, B, C. Vertex का sign नहीं होता. As you have seen that we have written angle A in the symbol. Angle A, angle B, angle C. But for the vertex, we don't have any symbol. So you will just simply write. नहीं होता. Vertices A, B, C. But these 6 things are called the elements and this is different. ठीक है? तो एंगल है तो वर्टेक्स. एंगल कहाँ बनता है? जहाँ पे कोई चीज ज्वाइन होती है, तो ज्वाइन हो रही है तो बन रहा है, वही वर्टेक्स है. Now we are starting with a particular type of a triangle, that is right angle triangle. This topic is given in the last of the chapter, so we are going to discuss that topic first. ठीक है? We are doing one particular topic, that is right angle triangle. Yes, listen to me. I have drawn a right angle triangle. The name of the triangle is ABC. Where right angle is forming, you will always write that point in the middle. Like this. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle is formed here. Right angle is formed when 2 lines are perpendicular on one another. Like this is the line and this is the line. These 2 lines are called the legs of the right angle triangle. When these 2 legs are perpendicular on one another, then only right angle will be formed. The side which is opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse and remaining 2 are called legs of the triangle. ये 2 legs है इसकी. एक को कहते हैं परपेंडिकुलर, ये जिसकी भी आवाज है ना इसे बंद कर लो. And another one is called base. This is called perpendicular and another one is called base. Write this. ये लिखना है बच्चे, ये लिखना है। In case of the right angle triangle, you have one important result that is known as Pythagoras theorem. And this Pythagoras theorem is only applicable in case of a right angle triangle. आपने नहीं चुप होना, नहीं चुप होना. That is h square means hypotenuse square, stop writing, is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse square, hypotenuse is the longest side which is always opposite to the right angle. Hypotenuse is the longest side which is always opposite to the right angle. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is known as Pythagoras theorem. Write it down. यहाँ लिखा नहीं आपने perpendicular base, leg लिखो. Is this your fair notebook? In the fair notebook, you will draw the triangle with pencil only. Don't use pen to draw the figures. Now let's start with the question related to this topic. Exercise 6.5. First question. PQR is a right angle triangle, right angled at P. आवाज आ रही है बच्चे, दरवाजा बंद करिए. This is a right angle triangle, right angled at P. PQR is a right angle triangle, right angled at P. तो right angle at P का मतलब है it should be right angle at P. ठीक है, P. Stop writing. Daily I have to remind you the same thing. Whenever I am explaining the things, you will just stop writing and listen to me. ये देखो, हो गया? करें शुरू? परमिशन है आपकी, करें शुरू? आपको पता ही नहीं क्या करना है कि वेट ही कर लें, लगे हुए हैं, किट खोल रहे हैं, 1 मिनट वेट नहीं हो सकता किसी चीज के लिए? राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, राइट एंगल एट P, so you can name it PQR or you can write it PQR. P will be fixed, Q and R you can change as per your choice, but right angle at P means P should come in the middle where right angle is forming. So this is your PQR. PQ is 10. PQ is 10 centimeter. RP is 24 centimeter. And next you have to find, I've written wrong. This is 24 centimeter. This you have to find. What is this? Hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle. Hypotenuse is the now, if it is a right angle triangle, can we apply Pythagoras theorem here? So what you will do, you will apply this theorem. Hypotenuse, name of the hypotenuse is P. P means perpendicular. Perpendicular 10. Base 10 square. 10 square means 10 into 10. 100. 24 square means 24 into 24. 576. This is 676. Now you have to get the value of QR. What you will do? Can you tell me? हाँ जी, ये 2 इधर जाके 1/2 बन जाएगा, स्क्वायर रूट हो जाएगा. आपने क्या करना है? You will make prime factors. You will make prime factors. 2, 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18. Now it will be divisible by 13 only. It will not come in the any other table. 13 into 13 is 169. That you have to learn. 13 into 13 is 169. Now look here. देखो इधर. अब आपने इसके फैक्टर कर लिए. क्या फैक्टर किए हैं आपने इसके? 2 into 2 into 13. अब आपने यहाँ 2 पावर बनानी है. Means the thing that is occurring 2 times, you will write it in the form of power. इसको लिख सकते हैं 2 into 13 का square. 2 is occurring 2 times. 13 is occurring 2 times. So can we write 2 into 13 raised to power 2? Not listening. Rivya है ना name. 2 into 13 raised to power 2 I have written because 2 is occurring 2 times. 13 is occurring double 2 times. So I have combined these two and I have written them as a power of 2. So can we cancel out the power from here? Power will cancel out. What is the value of QR? 2 into 13. Power cancel out. Answer is 26 centimeter. तो ये आ गया 26. Any doubt? Note करो. We will do many questions related to this so that there will be no confusion. हाँ जी. 3 से भी 13 से होता है. 3 से होता ही नहीं है. 13 से ही होता है सिर्फ, और किसी टेबल से नहीं होता. 13 into 13 और 13 क्या है? प्राइम नंबर. तो किसी और टेबल में आता ही नहीं है 169. सेम थी ना, तो आई हैव रिमूव्ड. जैसे मैं कहूं x इज इक्वल टू 2 है, तो इसका डबल भी क्या होगा? इक्वल होंगे. अगर x 2 के इक्वल है तो दोनों का डबल भी क्या होगा? इक्वल होगा. दोनों का ट्रिपल कर दोगे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई, तब भी इक्वल होगा. ये किसको प्रॉब्लम है जो बोलते जा रहे हैं? इसका स्क्वायर कर दोगे तब भी इक्वल होएगा, क्यूब कर दोगे, हाफ कर दोगे, डबल कुछ ऐड कर दोगे तब भी इक्वल होंगे। तो मैंने पावर दोनों की सेम थी तो दोनों का हाफ कर दिया, हटा दिया दोनों को। अटेंडेंस लिख लो बच्चे। रोल नंबर 2 अक्षिता 7, 21, 27, 29, 48, 51. Done. Any doubt? Be careful while writing. If you skip any power, any number, the meaning of the whole question will change. So be very particular after writing it. Tally it once again so that you have not committed any mistake. This factorization you have noted down. It's compulsory to make the factors in front of the question. You have not written. Factors, I said. Question number 2. ABC is a triangle. Stop writing. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. So where should I write C? In the middle. Got it? C is a right angle. And what about AB? I can write AB, AB. Anyways, ठीक है? ABC. AB is 25. AB is 25. What is 25 here? AC is 7. You have to find BC. What is missing here? Hypotenuse is 25. Perpendicular is 7. And base is missing. Got it? So what you will do? You will, it is a right angle triangle. So you will apply Pythagoras theorem here to get the answer. ये क्या बोल रहा है? कौन बोल रहा है? ये पता नहीं क्या है दोनों ही। जाओ पीछे बैठो दोनों, जो मर्जी करो, बाहर चले जाओ वहां से। जाओ। Hypotenuse is 25. Perpendicular is 7. Base is missing. 25 square means 25 into 25. चलो करो जल्दी मल्टीप्लाई। 625. 25 into 25 is 7 into 7 is, what you will do when you take this 49 on this left side, it will be added or subtracted. What you will get after subtraction when you subtract it? 576. 576. Now what you will do? You will make prime factors of this 576. Did you know how you will make prime factors? 2 से divide करेंगे. 2 2s are, 2 8s are, 2 3s are. Now next. ठीक है? 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 2 4s are 72, 36, 18, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So these are the factors. Now what you will do? How many? You will make the pair 1, 2, 3, 4. डबल डबल है ना? इस 2 में से एक 2, इस 2 में से एक 2, इस 2 में से और इस 3 में से इनका क्या बन जाएगा? स्क्वायर. एनी डाउट? नहीं, आप फैक्टर करके लिखोगे. न्यू मेथड है, ये सीखना ही है आपने. We have made the prime factors. You will take one value from each pair, and after writing each value from the pair, you will write whole square. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 3s are 24 square. This is base square. Power will cancel out. Base you will get as centimeter. Note it down. Note down this prime factorization too. सबको लिखने का स्क्वायर कैसे बनाएंगे? बहुत इजी है. 2 into 2 को क्या लिखते हैं? स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर बनाना तभी तो 2 कैंसिल होगा. हर चीज को स्क्वायर बनाना है. तो दो में से एक को लिखेंगे. सारा लिख के स्क्वायर करने का तो डबल हो जाएगा उसका. जितना दिया था उसे बनाना है ना. Done. Question number 3. ये जरा जरा जो आवाजें आ रही है ना, इतना गंदा लगता है ना सुनकर. कौन बोल रहा है? जल्दी बताओ. कौन बोल रहा था? अनमोल. यही है ना? है क्यों नहीं? ये दोनों ही हो. तुम आपको तो मैंने 2 मिनट पहले खुद नीचे करके बोलते हुए देखा. टाइम क्या करना है आपको? कहीं मीटिंग है आपकी किसी के साथ? यहीं बैठना है. जब बेल होगी सबको सुन जाएगी. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? इसको भी तो वही कहते हैं जो आप उसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं। A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12 meter high. ये देखो ये वॉल है, यहाँ पे एक विंडो है, इसकी हाइट 12 मीटर है ग्राउंड से। एक लैडर है जो 15 मीटर लॉन्ग है, वो इस विंडो तक लगा दिया आपने। जो लैडर होती है वैसे स्लांटिंग लगाती है, ये लैडर है, ये वॉल है, यहाँ पे विंडो है। विंडो 12 meter high from the ground. A ladder 15 meter long is placed towards the wall from the ground. On placing it against the wall at a distance A, find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. कहता है जो लैडर है इसके फुट का डिस्टेंस वॉल से यू हैव टू फाइंड। इसको एक्स ले लिया हमने, दिस यू हैव टू फाइंड। Wall is perpendicular to the ground. Actually, wall will be always straight. It will always make 90 degree with the ground. Because if it will not make 90 degree, so it will be somewhat slanting. Will it stand properly? So wall will always be perpendicular to the ground. It will make 90 degree. The side which is opposite to the right angle is a hypotenuse. This is your hypotenuse. This is perpendicular. This is base. Hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base. Got it? So you have to find here the value of x. What you will do? By Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. Perpendicular is 15. Sorry, hypotenuse is 15. Perpendicular is 12 and base is 15 into 15 is 12 into 12 is, as it is adding here, it will move to the next side, it will be subtracted. X square is 81 and which table it will come? It is 9 square. 9 9 का 81 होता है. So you can write 9 into 9. X is 9. Base is 9 meter. Note it down.